Right. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just going to make a flower using the Ombre and Denise, you've asked for some Ombre ribbon. We're going to do your order tomorrow because I'm going to finish the orders from yesterday today, and we'll do your order tomorrow because it's quite a large order, and it'll be sorted out with all the ombres that you want. So don't worry about it, and I'll invoice you tomorrow when the order's done. I'll send you a picture of everything. So I'm doing these quite long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about 5 and 3, I think it is. If I've got enough. I should have. Or I might be able to put an extra one in, maybe. That'll do. We'll use that as a central one, I think. So, I just have to use it up, that's all. I'm going to have the dark blue on the outside edge. Excuse me. So, this one measures 6, 8, 9 inches long. But you can do them as long as you want. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to take out the wire. So, Ray's managed to fill my lighters up for me. I've run out of bloody butane gas for them, so I'm going to have to get some more. She's going to go this afternoon and get that for me. Now, I'm just going to... I found some of these satin blue leaves. My God, I'm looking at it, can't even think what it's called. For this particular flower. I need to use thinner needles because this is it's quite thick, this ribbon. And if you use a thick needle, it's really hard to go through it. I'm just going to do that. A couple of tacking stitches, and that's all you need. See, same petal that we've done before. I love doing this one, it's really nice. Now, I don't have any blue to put it on, so we're going to use the pink. And because you won't see it, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter in the least. Or in the slightest, should we say. There we go. I'm going to do this as we go along. So, again, move that out of the way. Move that out of the way. Oh, the glue's gone a little bit soft. Because it's been on and not been used. So, take my little dobber, squash that down. Okie dokie. And then we're going to build out, build in, should I say, not out. Build in, Fiona. So, I'm going to speed this up because you don't need to see me, watching something that you've seen me do dozens of times. You'll be able to tell what I'm doing and you'll be able to copy it at the same time. Right, here we are. I've got a little bit of a distress ink here. I'm not sure if it's going to work. I haven't used this ink in a long time. Oh, yes, it does. Huh. So this one is the distress ink and it's broken china. Oh, yeah, that's it. See, perfect. Perfect for what I want. You only need the ends done as well. Mainly. And these are just cheapo ones from the pound shop. Now, let me just see. So I don't want them tucked behind, but I do want them tucked in here. My glue stick's gone rather soft. See that? Oh, yes, definitely. Definitely. That's where they're supposed to be. Now, come on, glue stick. Don't mess about with me like this, because I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm going to put 2 there, because I like 2 together, as you know. And 2 here, I think. 2 here. I want 1 there. So I'm going to tuck 1 in there and tuck 1 in there. Yeah, I like them like that. Not finished yet. I've got this other piece to do. And I think what I'm going to do is do a central bit. Like that. And that goes like that. And then we stick the whole lot of that into the centre of that flower. Now that touched a bit of skin that doesn't normally get touched. That burnt. But hey ho, I'm fine. It burnt me there. Look, see. Doesn't normally get on that bit of skin. Right, so, and the reason I've left it so gappy is because I want to do something else. Now, I've got some chiffon at the side of me. It's a white chiffon. Well, a creamy white, actually. And I'm just going to see if it works. I can always take it out if it doesn't work. So I'm going to cut it like that. And cut it. I'm going to do that, I think. So hang on. I'm going to do that. Like that. But then I'm going to fold that in half. I'm going to fold that in half. What am I going to do with it? Just bear with me. I'm going to cut it into like a petal shape. Oops. Oh, so I've got that. That's fine. Right, okay. So, I need my needle and thread again. So, I need to thread my... Look, my needle's bent. This will do 1. So fold it. It doesn't matter if it's all uneven at all. The more it's like that, the better. I may need to cut it down. That's the only thing. But because we can melt this, I might be able to cut it and melt it to the size I need. So just a little double lead petal. Like that. And that's all you need to do. And then cut that. Tie the knot in it for next time. Oh, that didn't half burn my finger, you know. So we've got a little double lead petal like that. I'm going to take, oh God, take my lighter. See how it singes? Dead easy. You've got to be really careful with this stuff. Like that. And then what you do is, you glue that and tuck it in. Like that. See? Yes, I think I'm going to like this. Yeah. Yeah, the other way you can do it is this way. just cut a piece, scraggly, however you want it, straight, round, square even, and just go around the edge like that. It doesn't matter. I'm just going around this as a circle. See, like that. It's like a little bob. Do that. Add some glue. And then what I'm going to do is just to pop it in here and there. See, like that. Easy. Looks fine. Yeah. I'm going to move that one. And put it in there. Take it away from that. I'll put one in there, but not just yet. We'll just sort this out. I think that's what it needs. That's what it's missing. Right in the set. That's it. Isn't it funny how you can see what's missing? Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous, that, actually. It is. That's really nice, that. I don't need any more, I don't think. I don't know. No, I don't think I do. I like that. It was just, the red didn't go with it. It needed something sticking out. You know, standing out, not sticking out. And I like that. I think that's gorgeous. Something different, isn't it? And why not? Yeah. So there you go. Change my mind as usual. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.